Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit Berry Pomeroy Castle and Totnes Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! So we are on the Berry Pomeroy Castle. So basically it's a ruins, it's kinda big ruins. The castle was built in late 15th century by the Pomeroy family. In 1547, the family sold the castle to the wealthy and powerful Edward Seymour. He bought many other properties at around this time, yet he may never even have visited the castle. And certainly his ownership was short-lived, as he was executed for treason in 1552. Edward Seymour's son, Sir Edward Seymour, gained title to the castle in 1558 and started building his four-story house in 1560, enlarged by his son Edward Seymour II from 1600s. But he died in 1613 with his great house unfinished, never to be completed, and by 1700s the castle was abandoned. Totnes Castle is one of the best preserved examples of a normal moat and bailey castle in England. So I'm right now in the bailey. As you see, buildings didn't survive, so only just a curtain wall around it. But there is an impressive moat, you can see. The castle was built by Breton Duke of Totnes shortly after the normal conquest of England. This first construction probably consisted of a wooden palisade. Basically, there was like a fence, like a wooden fence around the castle, and also the tower. Maybe it was located right there on the top. The castle was built to control strategic crossings and sides. The castle occupies a commanding position, guarding the approach to three valleys. Oh, it's so windy. By 1326, the castle fell into ruins and was under the control of the La Jose family. I'm out of breath. Extensive remodeling in the 13th and 14th centuries created a circular stone keep at top of the moat, surrounded by a curtain wall. So there was a keep, and this was the curtain wall around it. So the curtain wall is still here, but the keep didn't survive. And following the Wars of the Rose, the castle once again fell into ruins. I have an idea to do a live stream on YouTube, and I did before on my Facebook page, just for family and friends. I'm a little bit nervous because on Facebook I was just doing a live stream for my friends and family, but now I will do that for other people. But I want to do that, so stay tuned for that. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. And I will see you on next video.